I just came home from a swim. Because of COVID protocols, I came home in my swimsuit. And on the way, I checked the mail. By the way, do you like my mask? Super creepy and Halloweeny, right? So what I ordered from Winni and Walt that came today was in my mailbox, and I'm going to show you. Oh, it doesn't let you turn during videos. I forgot. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera really awkwardly and show you. So I opened my mail, and do you see that? And I wasn't going to film because my supper dishes are here, and I just got back, and my kids are weird and loud, and I'm in a bathing suit. But yeah, the box. I might have screamed a little, just a little. Just a little. Okay, Winni and Walt, you asked for it, so you get the barking dog too, apparently. You're on video. Seriously. You're literally on video. Silence the pup.
I'm eating Valentine's cake and you aren't. Suck it.
She's not eating Valentine's cake. She's eating Thanksgiving cake. Okay. So, oh my gosh. Well, that is the best thing ever. And
I tried to stop her.
Yeah. They tried to stop me and they couldn't stop me. He's gonna do my hair. Yeah. Yeah. Lovely. See the white there? That's because he and I are close to the same age. Anyhow, yeah. So I got this No Doubt receipt. Terrorizing tubs since 2018. Truly one of a kind. Horror bath bombs. From winstonandwalter.ca, and they're in Montreal, and I can't wait to go back to Montreal. And when I do go back to Montreal, I might have to go. Do you guys have a shop? I have to find out if you have a shop, because I really want to go in and see you. And it gives me new motivation to want to go to Montreal and do stuff. So now I don't know where to put these. See those? I don't know where to put those right now because my whole kitchen is a disaster. And unless I put them in dirty dishes, I'm not really sure where they're going. Oh, I have. So the video literally got interrupted by a notification on my phone. Well, it was good timing because I had to take some of those. And these are the really good, I think they're the really good potato starch ones, which are the kind that I like because I'm really into the environment. So I think that they are. And I will check in the sink later. I'm sure that they are because almost everybody's doing that now. And I save them and I reuse them for my deliveries. So don't look my kitchen / workroom / storeroom. Oh my gosh, look at how they're packaged. Like seriously, that is some class packaging right there. This is like a beautiful, like a reusable. Oh my god. It's in a reusable, beautiful bag. I'm gobsmacked. Seriously, I've ordered a mold. I have a beautiful tall mold from Winston and Walter, but I haven't ordered bath bombs before, and I am super excited. So I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to look in the... Oh, it comes open easily. Okay. Usually when I do one-handed videos, I turn the camera all around weird, and that's not really looking where it should be looking, and because it's very awkward. And my kids are... At least they're putting their dishes in the sink loudly, right? No, you're not getting on video anymore. Scoot, you're done. Oh,
I'm still eating Valentine's cake.
It's not Valentine's cake. Sydney, this one is for you, actually. Do you want to come and possess it or be possessed by it? Is that ever
You
cool?
can keep it.
You got one and I got one too. I got two of these. Well, they're the same. I got two of these.
I'm keeping yours instead. I don't want that one.
So you want the identical one that's for me.
No, I want the other one.
This is what I got. I got two of these. I gotta go look and see what else I got because I can't remember what I ordered. I was just so excited.
Then I'm just going to pick up this and label
the zombies. Okay, you can take that one to your room, to the bathroom.
I'm going to take it to the bathroom.
Yeah, don't break it, honey. I want to see how it works in the tub. Fragrant lily mingles with tones of indole. I don't even know what that is, but it sounds so nice. To give this fragrance a pungent, narcotic headiness. With rose, jasmine, lang-lang, and spice. That sounds just lovely. And look, they're super cool. Oh, I love their branding. And all their ingredients are listed on there. So I could make a bath bomb, but it wouldn't look anything like that. It would just look like a blob. Bath bombs are not my thing. I need a machine, and then I'll try again to make round ones. But I love using them. And so, oh my gosh, my son is going to want one of these for sure. I said to my son, I was looking at bath bombs, and I said, would you like this? And he said, or could I have the $27 to spend online? So that's how my teenage son felt about it. I did get him something anyway, though. And like I said, I apologize for the state of things, but we ran out to go for a swim and have fun because life is short, and I haven't been having fun lately, and I needed to remember that the reason we do things is so we can enjoy our lives. And we did. And I gardened today too, and I enjoyed my life. Again, no clue how I'm getting in here with one hand. This might be the other zombie beauty queen. I forget what she's called. And there's another piece of paper in here. Oh my goodness. We have included, oh my gosh, I can't open it. We have included with your order another fellow maker's handmade creation as our gift. Wow. Please help myself and my fellow maker friends support each other during these unpredictable times. Oh boy. I will take a picture. I'm taking a picture right now. Makers Love movement. Oh, I'll have to remember that. I might have to use that hashtag for me because I have also felt this week in particular, it's a very special pencil soap. Oh, Warm and Fuzzy Soapery. I follow you, Warm and Fuzzy Soapery. Mrs. Margaret from Long Island, NY. I have a really good friend here in Ottawa who's originally from Long Island, NY. So this is Mrs. Margaret from Warm and Fuzzy Soapery's pencil soap, and that's a fun back to school item. And as you may have seen, I have kids. I don't know if one of them appeared or if they've both appeared, but I do have kids, and I'm sure they will love that when I do. You know, it's funny to be a soaper and have children that refuse to get washed, but, you know, welcome to my life. Teenagers. Well, one's a teenager, just barely. I have all of that stuff to look forward to. I have an 11-year-old daughter and a 13-year-old son, so this is what I got for my son. I think this is the one I got for my son. Deadly Nightshade. I did get one that said, like, it had a manly scent, and I think this might be the one. And that just lists the ingredients again. Wow. That is beautiful. Like, I mean, it just looks like, okay, it's like a little tiny pot, and I'm like, okay, that's a small one, but it's not small. It's huge and heavy. Like, this is my hand. I have big hands. I was a professional pianist. Like, I don't know if that matters, but I have big hands. And yeah, it's heavy too. Like, it's pretty heavy. It says 10 ounces, which doesn't mean anything to me because I'm very metric. I'm actually surprised that it's in ounces. I don't know what that means, but it's heavy. It's lots. I'm guessing it's at least 250 grams. Maybe more. There's more stuff in the box. I didn't order that much, so I'm like really impressed. I think this might be my other zombie lady. And then the other thing I ordered, well, you'll see, because I'm doing it now. I'm in now. You said to do it, and I'm doing it in my bathing suit. I'm in my bathing suit, and I feel fine. There you go. I'm 5. I can do that because I'm secretly 5. I just look like I'm 50-something. I actually have the brain of a 5-year-old. And I have this lovely bag, and I am going to do something awesome with this bag. Isn't that nice? I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to make, like, maybe make my business partner a witchy Halloween-y gift or something. She loves bags like that. Okay, so this might be our other... Oh, okay, so I'm getting a bath tonight. I know that I should save this, but I might be saving it for, like, tonight. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Doesn't that look fabulous? Like, if I had any idea how to do that, seriously, I'd be like, I have got it made in the shade, man. I just, like, I was making bath bombs last year, and I was sorry, it's a mess here. I mentioned that. I was like, I quit. I'm terrible at these. And I've got another sticker. So wow, I've got 2 stickers, and I'm going to put at least one of these. I'm starting a new soaping. I'm starting a new logbook really soon, and I've been looking for really cool stickers to put all over the front. It's like a blue lectern, and it says Winston and Walter. It's like from a supplier. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So this one says, it's another thing about the zombies. Okay, I read you that before. All right. More of these lovely, and I'm going to reuse all of this. See this? All of this. I'm going to reuse it. Okay, this is the last thing that I ordered, and I'm very excited. I even got a little surprise soap. It's very sweet. Thank you, Warm and Fuzzy Soapery. I will take a picture and I will tag you. I try to buy from other makers a lot, even though, to be honest, I'm not, it's not the financially best time of my life ever right now, but yeah, I believe in that. Hopefully some of the people believe in me too, and we'll sell some stuff between now and Christmas, because yeah, I have lots of bills. Okay, anyway. I also have lots of bad puns. Okay, I'm unwrapping with one hand quite expertly. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it has the hands on it and everything. Okay, so I didn't actually see it this great from the picture on their order site, but wow, that is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Wow, I love that. Okay, now I'm torn and I don't know which one I'm using tonight. I do not know. Okay, so the other one should be another one the same. That's so Sydney has one too, because yeah, Sydney and I have 2 each. I need to charm her into the tub sometimes still, which is funny because she's 11 and you would think she was more vain than that, but yeah, that is just gorgeous and she is going to love it. Wow. Look at those hands. Look at the detail. So nice. Thank you, Winnie and Walt. Thank you so much. I got a sneak now. I should know. I should know this, and I didn't know this. Julie Mack. Thank you, Julie. Is it Julie July? Is that your name? I think it is, huh? It must be. Must be. Why would it be like a signature, not be a name? Anyhow, I can't wait. I'm going to put this on my notebook, and my kids are probably going to fight to the death over this one. I have 2 kids, by the way. Next time, send us 3, because Mama likes stickers. Maybe Mommy keep them both. Okay, so now I'm going to clean up the giant mess I made, and I am going to, before I let you guys go, I am going to take a picture so I can post this. That's so nice. Okay, so this is the 3rd part of the video. The picture I took was pressing stop video because I'm a, crazy person. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of this one too. They're gorgeous. Thank you again so much. Oh, did I take a picture of this one while I was taking pictures? I told you I need to clean here. You can tell I'm a soaper, huh? Okay. Did it again. I'm going to have to stitch all this together in, I don't know. What's that? Kapwing. I'll go to Kapwing and I'll stitch this all together. Anyway, okay. I'm going to turn my camera around one last time. I'm going to stop the video since I've decided I'm going to Kapwing. So thank you so much, Winnie and Walt. I'm super pleased with everything that we got. It's so nice. And I'm excited. This smells good. I'm excited to go take a nice relaxing bath and warm up after running around on an October night in my bathing suit, going to my mailbox and doing all kinds of crazy things. So thank you again, and thank you for the beautiful mold, which I love, and I'm going to try to get back on my making now that I've had a little mini break today, and use that mold to make some more lovely things and share with you all soon. Remember, support small makers, not just Winnie and Walt, not just Warm and Fuzzy, not just me, just anyone, local, buy small. People are trying to make a living and, get through. COVID's been hard. I know we have a lot of big bills right now at the end of COVID. So, yeah. So, anyway, bye. See you soon. Okay. Okay, so I have my Marge Simpson meets Haitian voodoo right here. I'm not sure what this one is called, I forgot, but I'm so excited. I'm about to get a bath, but I thought I'd do something different tonight. I ran my bath. See all my soap? Lots of soap. Lots of soap by me and by other people to try and to test, and that's one of my favorites right now. Gotta put that up at the site, because that's one that I make. And there's other bath stuff here, other cool balms. Oh, yes, can you tell I take my bath products seriously? Anyhow, back to my Winni and Walt Super Cool. I'm going to put it in and we're going to see what it does. All right. Cue the fun music.